So this particular area, they are saying, was a village, and you can see the foundation going all the way around, and they said they backfilled this to preserve it once they dug in it and did what they do, but they backfilled it to preserve it. But they said at one time almost 200 people lived here in the 1200s. But it
goes way around.
It is very windy here today. Oh, where are we?
Oh, we are in Petrified Forest.
Yeah, outside of Holbrook, Arizona. Yep.
And if we keep going up the road here a little ways, I don't remember what, 8 or so miles, we get into the Painted Desert.
Yep. And it is, I hope this wind sock's working, because I tell you what, it is windy today. Holy smokes. But we're going to go on and see.
What has got to go with this today?
Yeah, this is a dog-friendly national park. So yesterday we decided to come into a casino. This is at exit 108 in New Mexico. It is full hookup, 50 amp, 30 amp water and sewage. The reason we come in is we need to do laundry. And they let you stay here full hookup for $10 a night. We couldn't do our laundry for $10 a night. We've only been hooked to electric. I think that's the second time we've been hooked to electric. I think second or third night. But this is at exit 108 in New Mexico off of I-40. It is RV parking for the casino, Casablanca. It's some really tight sites, but we didn't come in here to gamble. We didn't come in here for recreation. We came in here to do laundry. And that's what we're doing. They have a few pull-throughs. I want to show you this camper real quick. Never seen anything like it. These are the pull-throughs. They're a little tight. We was in actually where that white car is. And it's just a little too tight for me. All these are back ends. But check this trailer out right here. It does have a laundry facility. There's a lady in there and you go in and tell her all your information, give her your $10 and you're good for the night. They have propane. They have a casino. They have a gas station across the road with a Dairy Queen. But check this thing out. I have never seen anything like this. It's actually pretty cool. It's kind of like a covered wagon. I don't know if it says Heritage on it. I assume it's manufactured. But check that out. Has solar on it. Western Range Camps. There you go. There's your information on it. But I've never seen anything like this. It's probably, I don't know, 18 feet maybe. Looks like it has a wood stove, has an air conditioner. Has solar all around it. Have you a little bitty front porch. Propane. Almost looks like it's built on a car trailer, but it is. It's actually pretty cool. Love this. See the inside, but I've not seen nobody around it, so that ain't gonna happen. This is our stop, our next stop. We're gonna try to get into the panhandle of Texas, work our way up into Oklahoma, and visit a couple really good friends of ours in the northeast part of Oklahoma in the Indian Territory. Stay with them a few days and ease on home. It's a little windy out here this morning, so I'm gonna try to keep this up close to me and hopefully it doesn't pick the wind up. But we're in San John, S-A-N, San John, New Mexico, exit 356 off of I-40. This is a county park. I take that back, this is a city park. And they allow overnight parking. They actually have a sign out front that says free RV parking or free camping, or that says something. Sorry about the wind. I have a adapter for the mic for my 4, but GoPro, because they're so genius, they change the adapter for every GoPro, so you have to have 500 adapters, and I haven't bought this one yet. Here we go. San John Park free overnight parking. It is right off of I-40. I don't know if you'll be able to see it up there or not. Way up there's I-40. There's a little truck stop here. It's just a little bitty town. There's not much here. You blink, you miss it. Has tennis courts, looks like, over there, basketball courts, another RV. This morning, we heard all kinds of sirens about 6 o'clock this morning. And I got up and looked out, and that parking lot over there had 2 or 3 ambulances, fire trucks. There was a police officer, and they had flares out. So I thought they was bringing a helicopter and pick somebody up, like a care flight. We just kind of thought maybe there was an accident out on the interstate, but care flight never come in, so I don't know if that's good or bad for the guy that was in the accident. But usually when we overnight, we don't put our slide out. We have plenty of room to get around without the slide being out. Just less wear and tear on the motor. But it has been cool. It was 39 degrees last night. I was so worried that we waited too long to start heading home and we'd be in the heat and have to run the generator at night to sleep, and it's not been the case. We've been waking up and turning the furnace on. But this is a nice park. It's not the biggest of parks. It's a little tight. We originally pulled in this road, got here, and I went out and turned around and come back in so I could make this turn here. But there's not a lot of parking, but it works for an overnight. But we are gonna get to heading out of here and are planning on stopping in Amarillo at the Texan. And Julie's gonna eat that big 72-ounce steak.